Meaning of gingko.
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 Gingko. Gingko, also spelled ginkgo, is a type of tree that is native to China and commonly used in herbal medicine. The name ginkgo comes from the Chinese word xingxing, which means silver apricot. The tree is known for its distinctive fan-shaped leaves and has been used for a variety of medicinal purposes, such as improving cognitive function and circulation. Ginkgo is also valued for its ornamental qualities and has been cultivated in gardens worldwide. In addition, ginkgo extract is sometimes included in dietary supplements and cosmetics due to its potential health benefits.